If you're trying to choose between Base44 and Replit, this quick guide will help you understand which AI app builder is best for your needs. In this video, I'll break it down simply so you can decide whether Base44 or Replit is the better choice for your next project. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more app builder comparisons and tutorials. Let's get into it. Base44 is better for beginners and for building rapid MVPs, which stands for minimum viable products. That means if you want to move fast, test an idea, or create a simple app without getting overwhelmed by technical setup, Base44 is the easier place to start. It's designed to help you get from idea to working product quickly, with less friction and less complexity. That makes it a strong choice for creators, founders, and anyone who wants to launch something fast. Replit, on the other hand, is better for developers and for more complex, scalable applications. If you already have coding experience, or if your project needs more control, more customization, and room to grow, Replit gives you a more developer-friendly environment. It's a better fit when you're building beyond a simple prototype and need a setup that can support more advanced logic and scaling over time. So the simple answer is this. Choose Base44 if you're a beginner or you want to build a fast MVP, and choose Replit if you're a developer building a more complex, scalable app. That's the main difference, and it really comes down to speed versus flexibility. If this comparison helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical AI app builder breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.